Right, we have ThyssenKrupp lifts at the Target Atlantic station. We got this one. This is a flight elevator. Let's go to 1. There's some trash right here. Look at a big motor. This is a flight lift. Elevator inspection certificates up there. Let's go to enter at G. Let's get a cab. Elevator to £11,000. There's a secure camera. And here's the ceilings. And here we are back at G. And that's it. Oh, right, we have MEI lifts at the Atlantic station in Atlanta, Georgia. These use separate controllers. These lifts are a bit busy, so it might take a bit. There's a lift E and the floor indicator. K2. Here's what it looks like. Let's get a cab view. These lifts are a bit busy. Here's an inspection certificate. Ring number 590D, £10,000. Let's go up to G. Close the door. Let's close it. There's an inspection City of Atlanta. Exploration. Are you serious? December 2007 is this expiration date. Going up, going up. I think we just stopped at P1. Elevator, this, I think it's elevator D. This got wiped out. And here we are at G. And that's it. Alright, we have another lift at the Atlantic station in Atlanta, Georgia. Let's take this down to P2. These are Shinlo 400A. So and if you know, please tell me in the comments what model this is. There's an inspection certificate. Let's get a cab view. There's a bit of lifts at the set of lifts at this place. IKEA ground. Here's an inspection certificate. For your safety, down here on the door. The ground, and that's it. Alright, we have another MEI lift to the showroom at the Atlantic station in Atlanta, Georgia. Here's the directory right there, the Swedish restaurant. There's a floor indicator, lift A. 1. Level 2, G is level 1. This is elevation, dude. Let's take a cab. View. Nice ceilings. Elevator A, £10,000. Let's take this to G. Here's the other door right here. Alright, we have a Schindler traction lift at Dillard Atlantic Station. Here's how the machine is going down. There's the sign right there, and here's the floor indicator. And we're going to take this down to P2. Let's look at the window. There we are, P2. Let's take this up to 3. There's an inspection circuit. Emergency phones locked, £2,500. Let's go to 1. Are you going down?
Yeah, we're good. Appreciate it.
Thanks. Have a great day. There's the floor indicator at 3. Here we are at 1, and that's it. Alright, we have a Schindler HC330A lift at DSW Shoes, Atlantic Station in Atlanta, Georgia. Schindler. There's the floor indicator. This up to 2. Car 53, £2,500. There's the ceilings. Hello. Let's get a cab view. Let's take this down to G. Here's an inspection certificate right up there. And that's it. Alright, we have Schindler H330A lifts at Publix Atlantic Station in Atlanta, Georgia. These two controllers are together. Get both at the same time. Going down. Going down. What floor are you going to?
The parking deck.
Parking one?
Yep.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too, brother.
Thanks. Rear door opened. Let's close the store. Let's get a cab view. Nice ceilings. That's the camera. There's an inspection certificate, car number 40, £5,000. M is locked, ST. One's coming. You know the pun in the elevator we are doors. Oops. I'm probably using a selfie stick. And that's it. Right, we have another Schindler 330A lift at H&M in Atlantic Station. It was Schindler. Directing real quick. Two off. Two is locked. Directing one more time. £2,500 is an inspection certificate. Code 45. Nice ceilings. Let's get a cab view. One. See this one, huh? There we are at one. And that's it. Alright, we have a Schindler HT330A lift up Forever 21 in Atlanta, Georgia, at the Atlantic Station. I'm using my selfie stick for the second time. Here's the floor indicator. Here's car number 3. There's a directory. Is this lift stuck? Stock. Very loud chime. Someone left a purse. 2. things on this lift. Hello. £3,500. Elevator number 2. 1. Going down.
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What are you doing?
I'm recording an elevator.
Why?
I have an elevator channel.
Oh. So you just record elevators?
Yeah, I do that.
What's the fascination with it?
I just, from different elevator enthusiasts who filmed this, fascinated me to do this.
Oh, okay.
Have a great day.
So, huh?
Let's get the cab view real quick. And that's it.